With almost a full week of closing at new highs, let's take a look at some areas to watch in a bullish continuation scenario, where the market approximates the incline of this Fibonacci channel. Now let's combine standard small and intermediate ranged Fibonacci extension levels, and a short Fibonacci time zone based on the duration of the most recent full downswing. Finally, center a fib spiral on the lowest candle price range where the most recent upswing began. This shows us the most relevant resistance near 580 towards mid-October, which, if surpassed relatively quickly, can lead to an acceleration to the more significant long-term range in the low 600s. Though that would of course be an ideal scenario, because even if bullish sentiment were to be sustained to finish off this year, major events like the presidential election can lead to at least some short-term uncertainty and volatility, resulting in movements similar to this. For more on the stock market and crypto, please follow Ascencore. And check out the series on each Fibonacci tool used in this video while you wait for the next upload coming very soon. Thanks for watching and see you again.